How to fix your Roblox lag. Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how to fix this on your Roblox. Just watch this video till the end because many people guys suffer of this problem. Today I have the solution. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go to apps option, and here as you see we search only for Roblox. And when you found our Roblox, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Here you go to clear data and click OK. Also click on clear cache, then go back. And now you have to go to this option, set as a default. If you found that this open supported links like this, not use it, you have to turn on it like this. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.